How to make your Duolingo profile private. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial for you to be able to make your profile a private into your Duolingo app. So first is you won't be able to do this whole process by using the Duolingo application. But instead, you just won't have to pull up or use any preferred web browser that you can use on your mobile device. But on this video, I'm going to be using Chrome. Now, once you're in the Duolingo's official website, make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now, the current language I'm at on my account right now is Formation, but I'm going to show you how you can set your profile to private. So first is go into your profile menu at the lower right, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right to go into settings. And from the account field, just go into settings and privacy. So you should be able to see three options here. The first option into English is actually make my profile public. So if you would like to make this profile into private, you just have to turn this off or disable the first option so that you can activate a private profile. And that's how you make your Duolingo profile private.